Hello, we are excited to welcome you to the Boost Pro family on Homeyhuts. By subscribing to Boost Pro, you have just unlocked a treasure chest of valuable resources and personalized support designed to supercharge your hosting success. Think of it as your personal launchpad to becoming a hosting superstar on Homeyhuts and other booking platforms. We know you're eager to dive in and maximize your hosting potential. So let's get you started on the right foot. Here's what awaits you on your Boost Pro journey. Your Boost Pro subscription unlocks exclusive learning materials designed to elevate your hosting game. You can access these materials directly within the Homeyhuts platform. The Boost Pro section offers a treasure trove of resources, including learning material, downloadable free hosting templates, and scheduling appointments with the expert. Now, upon signing up, accessing Boost Pro learning materials is straightforward. Simply navigate to the menu bar on the Homeyhuts platform. There, you'll find a dedicated section labeled as Boost Pro Learning. Click on this section to explore a wealth of resources, including video tutorials crafted to empower you in optimizing your listing and guest interactions. On the left-hand side, you will find an overview of your training session. These sessions are accessible indefinitely, and the beauty of Boost Pro is that you can learn and grow on your own schedule. Unlike traditional courses with expiration date, the Boost Pro materials are available to you at any time. So, whether you prefer to power through tutorials in one sitting or revisit them for quick refreshers, the learning is entirely at your own comfort. Feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes as you explore the valuable resources within the Boost Pro. Now, Boost Pro utilizes Vimeo for its learning materials, offering a user-friendly experience with several interactive features. You can easily toggle between Hindi and English language to accommodate your preferences. This ensures that you can engage with the content in your preferred language seamlessly. You can find this option in the top right corner. Then you can also adjust your playback speed to suit your learning pace, whether you prefer to speed up or slow down the videos. You can also turn on captions to enhance comprehension, particularly useful when viewing videos in a noisy environment for accessibility purposes. Lastly, you can enjoy an immersive viewing experience by toggling to full screen mode for clear visuals and focus. Now, let's talk about how can you access hosting templates. To download the templates, go to the menu where you access Boost Pro learning material. Click on Hosting Templates, and here you'll see a bunch of templates you can download and customize to fit your needs. Plus, they are also available in Hindi. At Homeyhuts, we are committed to your success as a host, and Boost Pro is here to equip you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel in the vacation rental industry. Thank you once again for choosing Boost Pro. We look forward to supporting you on your journey to hosting excellence.